Welcome to 7 Style TV, man. I'm out here putting a little footwork in, man. Over here at the Domes, waiting on this car show to sit there and come live. But right now, we're over here with the Nocturnal Car Club. We got the old school Cadillac out here with the CC grill on there. He getting it together right now.
Not quite done yet.
Yeah, but it look good though. It look good. It look good. It look good. What else you about to do to it?
Paint it.
Same color?
Yep. She clean inside and out, baby.
Yeah.
Clean. No scratches, no scrapes, you know. Just old. Car almost 40 years old.
Yeah, I already know. I had one.
Yeah, already all original.
Yeah, you can't beat that.
I didn't beat it. I ain't did nothing. See, dashboard, I didn't touch it.
Yeah, that's what's up. Look at the dashboard, no cracks.
Yeah, I never touched it. I had to do a little bit of light work in there.
That's what's up. Well, I'm 7 Style TV, man.
Right.
I'm on YouTube.
Yeah.
So you're gonna be on YouTube.
This wood, Nocturnal.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get a couple tokens.
Yeah, definitely that. Definitely that.
I might get lucky.
Oh, I think you will.
How you ride? They give me trophies before.
Yeah, man, that's my boy.
But I ain't getting no upgrades. I got some stuff I got to do. He know my car. So
Right.
He know I'm playing. I just don't have a lot of time.
That's what it takes, the time.
Yeah, you gotta have time and a little bit of money.
A little bit of money. I'm gonna go ahead and go through with your club. Thank you. It's a transformer right here. This yours? That's all right. You'll get there. You'll get there. You'll get there. Trust me. Right. Hell yeah. You're gonna get something better. You don't get something better. This is nothing. That's another step. You gotta go up. You know what I mean? Fuck that shit. If Dad can do it, I can do it better. Yeah. Well, I'm 7 Style TV, bro. I'm on YouTube. I'm a YouTuber. I come out to all the car shows, motorcycle shows. I used to be in a bike club. You know what I mean? So I do all this. So you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is pop shit. Putting it together. It's a 4G. Look at this motherfucker. Got the TV in here and all type of shit. Look at this.
Come on. Them horns? The horn. Huh? The horn. Yeah. Loud as fuck.
Yeah. Get out the way, goddammit.
Hey, you're here as well.
condenen. Yo soy tu hijo, yo soy el hijo del tuerto, el que caiga tu ADN. La calle vive en mí, aquí yo nací. Mi sangre va por ti, cabrón, yo te lo prometí. Conmigo vas a estar, tú mirándome los pasos, el mundo voy a
me toca llorar, tener que sufrir, porque tú te fuiste a mí, yo le pedí cuidar de mí, pero te tocó fallar,
So that's just part one, y'all. I hope you guys enjoying it, but we got plenty more to do.